Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So we're getting ready to replace the springs on this Grand Design Imagine. As you can see, we've had shackle links that were broken, and I'll zoom in on that here in just a second. And so we went ahead and we ordered the actual, manufacturer leaf springs. These are Dexter, or not, excuse me, they're not Dexter, they are Lippert axles with Lippert leaf springs. And we're upgrading it to a Dexter Easy Flex kit, as well as the springs. So I want to show you is, here's the box where we actually got the right springs from Lippert. And as you see them, they actually say, MAT. So I don't know what MAT is, but Matt, China. So, they're making these obviously in another country. We're going to go ahead and remove all the nylon bushings in them so that we can put the wet bolt kits. They're actually a pretty decent spring. They're pinned through the springs, and they got the nice thicker clips on them versus over here. So this is the replacement springs, and over here on this guy, you can see where the shackle links are broken, right? And that again is from the bushings that are worn out. And you can see the spring clips. So see how this is just a band that's just floating in place, that's just bent over. So the spring clips that are going to be on here, that one's actually loose, is dropped down away from the spot that it's supposed to be in. And then again, these springs are all rusted and they're flat. So when the weight's on the axles, it's actually dropped down. Now anytime we go ahead and change out, leaf springs, we're always replacing new U-bolts. So we got new U-bolts, and for some reason they put 9/16 on, which was really nice. We don't know if they did that because of the tie plates or what, but it's a 3-inch axle with 9/16 bolts on a 10-inch hub and it's a 4,400-pound axle, and it's got the leaf springs that are basically a 4-leaf. And again, we've gone to it's the same company, same brand, but it's a different, it looks like it's a better quality leaf spring than what was originally on there. So I don't know if there's a cheaper version or not, but that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm going to come check in on Gino a little bit later, and he's going to be installing, like I said, that Dexter Easy Flex kit. That's going to go ahead and replace this center equalizer right here and heavy duty shackle links. So stay tuned for more, and we'll be back. This is just kind of an update video, and we're going to try to get this done. Today is Monday, and it is the 27th, and so we're getting close to Halloween. So, and then maybe we'll do, if anybody dresses up here, maybe we'll do some Halloween videos. So, all right, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.